Welcome to the best picks. The best radon mitigation is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked home improvement investments you can make. Protecting your family's health from the invisible threat of radon gas requires a well-designed and properly installed mitigation system, and in this video, we will explore the key factors to consider when choosing the right system for your home, ensuring a safe and healthy living environment for years to come. We will review the top-rated systems on the market, comparing their features, effectiveness, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Tjernlund PVC-4 Radon Fan. This powerful yet quiet fan effectively lowers radon levels in your home. Its simple design makes installation a breeze. Engineered for superior radon mitigation across various soil types, it's built to last with a permanently lubricated motor. It connects directly to 4-inch PVC pipe and comes with a 6-foot power cord for convenient setup. You can have it running in just minutes. Enjoy peace and quiet. It's designed with a silent motor to minimize noise disruption. Custom-fitted gaskets prevent radon gas leakage, ensuring a safe and effective mitigation system. The heavy-duty steel construction adds to its durability. Weighing only 3 pounds, it's compact and efficient, easily fitting into tight spaces. The adjustable discharge hood allows for customized system balancing. What we like. If you value ease of installation and a quiet operation, this is the perfect choice. Its minimal power consumption will also save you money on your energy bills. If you're looking for a simple, effective solution that won't break the bank, consider this model. What people say. My measurement were only marginally high, just a little over or right at recommended limit OT radon in the air. I installed it dry, that is without using PVC cement, in order to be able to replace the fan or go another direction. 2 PVC bushings, and it went in perfectly easily fit together and was tight. And it is so quiet. My radon was twice the EPA level. A day after installing this, it was down well below EPA level. It reduced the RN levels from about 4.5 to 2.1 PCIL. A very good number, and it's now below recommended level. Number 4. RadonAway RP260 Radon Fan. This fan is designed for radon mitigation in both homes and businesses. It's energy efficient and operates quietly, ensuring a comfortable environment. It boasts an energy efficient design, saving you money on your energy bills without compromising performance. You'll appreciate its low energy consumption. Experience its ultra-quiet operation. It runs so smoothly, you'll barely notice it's there. Enjoy peace and quiet in your home or workplace. This fan meets all electrical codes, making it safe and reliable for residential and commercial use. It's built to last and perform reliably. It features a water-hardened impeller and sealed seams to prevent radon leakage. This ensures long-lasting performance and effective radon mitigation. The motor includes thermal protection to prevent overheating and extend its lifespan. It's built for reliability and long-term use. What we like. This model is perfect for those seeking energy efficiency and ultra-quiet operation. It meets all electrical codes for both commercial and residential use, making it a versatile option. If you need a reliable and quiet solution for any setting, this is a great choice. What people say. This fan is great. Very quiet, if installed properly, and very efficient. It was very easy to install, took less than 1–2 hours. It is well made and sturdy, like the one that was replaced. High quality product, easily installed using the instructions. Has even working for 3 weeks without any issues. Number 3. For 260 CFM Radon Mitigation Fan. This year's model boasts a powerful 260 CFM airflow, perfect for basements, bathrooms, or greenhouses. Its high air volume and pressure quickly circulate air, removing odors and efficiently transferring heating or cooling. It's built with IP67 waterproof materials and a metal impeller, allowing for worry-free indoor or outdoor installation. This innovative design expands your ventilation options. Enjoy near-silent operation at only 40 to 45 dB. It's also incredibly energy efficient, using up to 60 watts and saving you at least 40% compared to competitors. The durable metal impeller is waterproof and dustproof, providing increased air volume and pressure. It's easy to install with included instructions and mounting brackets. Developed with US technology, it features a balanced motor and impeller, thermal protection, and ETL listing for 100% safe use in any setting. It's backed by a 5-year limited warranty. What we like. If you need a powerful fan with high airflow, this model is for you. Its waterproof design makes it suitable for indoor and outdoor use, and its energy-saving features will help you reduce energy costs. If you need a versatile and efficient solution, consider this one. What people say. Great airflow and radon levels are almost to ambient levels even in the winter when the basement is closed up. So far so good, works very well mitigating radon gas from my home and is very quiet. Very pleased that it only uses 60 watts of power too. The fan runs well to evacuate radon in my house. Number 2. Tjernlund RMS 160 Radon System. This system offers a discreet and effective solution for radon mitigation. It's designed for easy installation and long-lasting performance. It's neatly installed in your home's sidewall, keeping the exterior clean and uncluttered. No more unsightly pipes. The included fan and 3 PVC connectors ensure efficient radon removal. It's built for reliability and quiet operation. The specially designed hood disperses radon gases safely and quickly away from your home. This ensures effective mitigation. It features a vibration isolation mounting system for quiet operation. You'll barely know it's there. It eliminates the need for visible PVC piping on the exterior of your home, maintaining its aesthetic appeal. Enjoy a clean and radon-free home. What we like. This system is designed for discreet installation with its sidewall termination and exterior hood. The vibration isolation system ensures quiet operation. If you prioritize a clean exterior look and quiet performance, this is an excellent option. What people say. Installed this fan in conjunction with a sealed sump pit cover, and sealed all foundation cracks as well with caulk. Third radon test reported a radon level of 0. Install was an easy DIY. Instructions are very clear. Was very simple to install and in one day brought the radon level down to where it should be. The instructions on this unit are fairly easy to understand, and my installation went just like the instructions show. I was able to install this unit in my furnace room in the basement, which sets in a corner. I drilled a 7-inch hole in my basement floor, used a 6-inch fitting, which measure almost 7 inches OD, and reduced it down to the 3-inch, to hook on to the mitigation system. I was able to attach that to the RMS 160 that I had already mounted between the floor joist as per the instructions. Number 1. Suncourt RDK04 Radon Mitigation Kit. This kit effectively lowers radon levels in your home through subslab depressurization. It's perfect for basements, crawl spaces, or slab foundations. Engineered and assembled in the USA, it's powerful yet quiet. Enjoy strong suction and airflow without the noise. It's built for continuous, long-term use, indoors or outdoors, meeting EPA standards for reliable radon reduction. Installation is simple with the included fan, anti-vibration couplers, and air pressure indicator. Everything you need is in one box. It's independently certified to meet safety standards and comes with a 5-year warranty. You can trust it for years of reliable performance. With Suncourt's RDK04, you can rest assured knowing your family is breathing cleaner, healthier air. Invest in your family's well-being today. What we like. This complete kit includes everything you need for easy installation. Its ultra-quiet operation and indoor-outdoor rating offer flexibility. If you prefer a convenient, all-in-one solution for any location, this kit is ideal. What people say. Exact same fit as my original model that started making noise after about 15 years. It was fairly easy to install. I would definitely install the condensation bypass like in the instructions. It has good CFM and has dropped the radon from 10.5 down to 0.48. This is my second Suncourt radon fan. The first one went 10 years and it was still running. It was starting to get a little loud, so I replaced it with the same model. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.